Alex here with the Balanced Warrior Project. Jag's behind the camera.
Hello.
Anything?
Maybe you should start.
All right, we can start that. We're gonna be making some no-bake, gluten-free, paleo, vegan, some CBD brownies today. Now CBD stands for cannabinoid, and it's a chemical that comes from marijuana. But this, it's 100% CBD. There's like less than 0.3% THC, so it doesn't get you high. All it has is the health benefits, the medicinal qualities that come from CBD. So this stuff is wicked good for you. It has myriad health benefits. It's a vasodilator, so it's gonna help your blood flow. It's good for people with heart problems, and it's good for your recovery post-workout. It reduces soreness, it improves anxiety, appetite, it helps with sleep. The list goes on and on. We're gonna be using all natural ingredients here, no added sugar, no animal products. This is a no-bake brownie that we're gonna make 100% in the food processor and then freeze it, and it's gonna be ready to go. I'm gonna start with the black beans. So here we go. All right, so there's our black beans, and then we got 15 dates right here. I'm gonna throw those in, and then we'll blend, and then we'll start adding a couple more ingredients. All right, so it's starting to get blended down. Next, we're gonna add our coconut oil with CBD. We're gonna pour that right in there. Next thing we're gonna throw in is about 2 tablespoons of almond butter.
Just like that.
Next up, we're gonna take about 3 tablespoons of applesauce. We're gonna throw in 1 teaspoon of turmeric. If you wanna add more, it is gonna affect the flavor of your brownies. You wanna keep this pretty minimal for yourself. Grind in some pepper.
Is that enough to even do anything?
It's supposed to make the body absorb the curcumin a little bit better.
Just that little amount?
Yeah, dude, it doesn't take a lot. So curcumin is the active component in turmeric that's really anti-inflammatory. Super good for you. It helps with blood flow. A lot of the same kind of benefits you get from CBD and also from ginger. And then the black pepper helps your body absorb the curcumin a little bit better.
What's that? Hold it up.
We've got some organic cacao powder, and we're gonna throw about a third of a cup of this in there.
It's a bit like poop.
A bit like poop, but it tastes a whole lot better.
Alex knows.
Oh, I know.
He's tried both.
I have. Drink my own piss, eat my own shit. No. What's his name who does that?
Bear Grylls.
Bear Grylls ain't got nothing on me. That's right.
Wouldn't you die if you ate your own shit though?
Probably. Nah, dude, they actually like will inject healthy people's poop up like unhealthy people's noses if they have serious like illnesses. It's
I didn't know they did the nose. I know that they replaced gut bacteria.
Yeah, it's a C. difficile thing. Yeah, if you have an unhealthy gut biome, they put other people's poop into you.
That's
to
pretty crazy.
Like healthy up your biome. They literally feed you shit. So take better care of yourself, folks. Probably be in better shape if we were taught how to take care of themselves.
Yeah.
But like,
No, I mean, no, for sure. Like, knowledge is not out there.
yeah, I feel like the average person isn't doing very well, but it's like not all their fault.
Yeah. That's big pharma.
Yeah, dude.
Fuck.
Fuck Big Pharma.
Yeah, and we're gonna freeze them until tonight, and then I want 3 or 4 hours.
3 or 4.
That's it, our brownies are complete. We're gonna freeze these for 3 hours. All right, so we let our brownies sit overnight. We actually sampled a couple yesterday evening. We cut each of these pans into 12 pieces, and we're just gonna take them out, put them on a plate, and put those back in the freezer. You wanna keep these in the freezer to stay firm, otherwise they'd be too gooey, and they wouldn't be as easy to eat. And that's it. Now you know how to make your own super anti-inflammatory CBD brownies. Delicious. All right, This has been another episode of the Balance Warrior Project. Alex here, signing off. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. Take care of yourself, folks.